Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So, in this video, we will see again with the background property itself. In the previous video, we have seen the how to add the background color and the image. So, in this video, I'm going to cover the what is the background repeat. Okay, I'm not continuing with the background position as it is already the background image is covered. So, I just wanted to use the what a background repeat property. So, which helps us to understand how can we use this background repeat and when we have to use this background repeat. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, so in the practical manner, I'll show you. Okay, in the yesterday's video, we have covered the what the back how to add the background image. So if you see that video, sorry, if you have seen that video, you'll understand how the background is background image was added. Okay, now let me show you again so that how it will be looking like. Okay, so if I have added only one image, but it is showing like multiple images here. Okay, so what happens here means the background, like whatever the image is there, like less pixel is there, and according to that, according to that, if it is that pixel is less, it will cover to that. All the means it will cover to the background, so how much it can fit to. For example, if it is like background is bigger, means the whatever the image is bigger and it can fit to uh, whatever the screen size means, it will take a only one. For example, if the screen size is more bigger and the compared to image, so it will repeat it. Okay, so now I don't want the repetition. How can we remove this repetition? Okay, so what I'll do here means, so I'll just use the water, the background repeat. Okay, so there is a background repeat option is there. You can use that background repeat. So in this background repeat, I can just use the what value called no repeat. I don't want the repeat, right? So I just use the what no repeat for this background. Okay, there are multiple values are there. If you want to repeat it, you can use it to repeat. However, the repeat is the what? The default value. If you want to use the any other value, you can use it. As of now, we will use the what? No repeat. You can see the repetition has removed. If you have used the what? Background repeat, the value is no repeat means it will remove the background repetition. Okay, so here it is like this much only it is showing. Okay, so if I want to make it as fully covered, okay, or if I want to make this background size to be covered, okay, so at that time I have to use a background size. So in the next video we will see with the background size how to add the background size. Okay, so until then, so please watch the how to add the background color and how to add the background images and how can we remove the repetition. So if you have any doubts, you can comment it out. Okay, and if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it.